Hi, this is Mike Koenigs, and if you're watching this, I need to tell you about the latest business I discovered that I think is going to blow your mind. Now imagine if you could partner with a global iconic brand in front of a multi-trillion-dollar market and trend that is literally going to change the world. And imagine if you could have a business without any of the hassles and struggles that most business owners put up with. That means no merchant accounts, no inventory, no managing payroll, advertising costs, marketing, or selling. And the kicker is you get paid for 20 years every time a customer is sold, and you don't have to sell or close the deal. Now imagine if you could partner with me and be on my team as we roll out this game-changing new concept across the marketplace. Now in my 30 years of business experience, I've never seen anything like this, and I think you'll agree with me. So on the other side of this page is an 11-minute video that's going to explain everything along with a free book I wrote. The best business I've ever seen. So all you have to do is enter your name and email and get ready for the business adventure of your lifetime.